This video is for you if you judge people based on what you think is right or wrong. Wait, before you close this window, assuming that you are not really judgmental, I urge you to watch a few more minutes into this video because there are high chances that you are slightly judgmental or pretty judgmental. Hey, hi, this is Anagha and welcome to my YouTube. Imagine you have a friend that has supported you throughout your journey, has been with you with all your ups and downs, but decided not to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Or probably they decided that they cannot refer you to the role that you are seeking at their workplace. If you categorize them as bad or unsupportive without even hearing their side of the story, then let me tell you, you might be judgmental. Your cousin probably decided to break up with their long-term boyfriend and chose to marry someone their parents picked for them. And you decide to sort them into the characterless category. Then let me tell you, you are judgmental. Your neighbor feeds you whenever your parents are away. They take care of you, but they bitch about their family. Your colleague doesn't really involve a lot in the office events, but they don't ever forget to wish you or congratulate you on your birthdays and your promotions. And you only remember the auntie bitching and the office colleague just disappearing from the events. If so, then let me tell you that you are judgmental. There is no harm in being judgmental today because you can learn, unlearn, and be non-judgmental tomorrow. Why should one person be non-judgmental at all? Of course, it's a great human trait to have, but along with that, there are two more benefits of being non-judgmental. Number one is that it helps you to be more positive and have like a positive outlook at your own life. And the second major reason is being non-judgmental helps you to make your life decisions in a much better way and without even thinking what will other people say because you have come out of that judgmental zone. Like this video if you like it and share it with your friends if you find value in this video. And let me first begin with sharing with you how I started my non-judgmental journey. So I go by this phrase that says, little more kindness, much less judgment. And it all started when I was watching the actress Anushka Sharma's interview one day about how apparently actresses have to sleep with like producers or directors to get a certain role. She was asked what does she think about the entire thing and if she would do something like that. You know, when asked something like this, I've heard actresses say, no, I would never have done that and things like that. But what Anushka Sharma said in that interview kind of blew my mind away. She paused for a moment, thought a bit and told, I don't know. I am lucky that I was never put in such situations, but until you are in that situation, you never know. You never know how hard you've dreamt of something. You never know how much of a struggle it was. And you never know how difficult it feels to let go of a dream. And you also don't know what you would pay to get that dream of your life. So since I was never in that situation, since I've never walked that, I don't know how it feels. And I don't know what I would do. This kind of changed my outlook and I realized we have not walked somebody's walk. So we don't have any rights to judge what is right and what is wrong for them or for us if hypothetically we were in that situation. So then how do you start becoming non-judgmental if in case you're judgmental? It's totally fine. You can be non-judgmental. For this video, I haven't done any extensive researches because all that I'm telling today is coming out of my own experience and straight from my heart. So let's begin. First of all, you have to make this decision. It is in your hands if you want those two benefits that I just mentioned in your life. And to be honest, it feels like very little of a benefit, right? Well, no. I changed 6 jobs in search of my dream career only and only because I was non-judgmental. If I were to judge other people's decisions in life, I wouldn't be able to make this decision of changing jobs jobs so often because I couldn't find happiness in those jobs. I could do this because I was unafraid of what are people going to tell about me and how hard are they going to judge me, because I have stopped judging people. See how much of a big impact it has made? The second thing that you have to do is to ask yourself a question and answer it. Whenever you find yourself judging someone, ask yourself, have I gone through what they have gone through? And the obvious answer would be no. So tell yourself there must be something that has led them to choose what they've chosen. That's all. There's no step 3. Of course, it takes a bit of a practice. It's a bit of trial and error. You would find yourself judging somebody really hard in between this process, but then you can unlearn and correct yourself and get back. Always remember that we forget that we come from different age groups, lifestyles, where we come from, the environment that we grew up in, the people that raised us, the educational institutions that we were a part of, the area that we lived in, the friends that we made, the situations that we faced, and so much that happens in a person's life is the reason that people take the decisions of their lives. Looking at just the surface, just one incident, you can't really judge the depth of the water and the depth of the events of things that has happened in somebody's life. It is very easy for us to say, oh, such a loser, she got married at 22. But we never know how much of best friends they were and how much of a fairy tale it was for her to live with her best friend forever. It is probably us who didn't find someone like that. And it is very easy for us to say, oh my God, she's 32 and still unmarried. But hey, you don't know. She probably enjoys her company more than anybody else and she doesn't need a partner or a child. It is probably us that is always longed for somebody else. So let's just create this environment, this society, and let's just give this gift to ourselves of being non-judgmental of other people's lives and decisions. If you have come till this far in the video, let me tell you, you are just amazing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. And I'm sure you'll enjoy these 2 videos as well. Don't forget to check them out. Thank you so much with lots of positive vibes. Bye.